You have an awesome online store all set up. Nice job. What you need now is a great way to get your website visitors to start shopping immediately. The Wix product widget is a simple feature that can make a big difference on your website. It lets you promote products from your online store on any page of your site. That means that your visitors are just a few short clicks away from making a purchase. This widget is ideal for highlighting sales, seasonal items, or any product you want to promote. Since you know your customers and what they love to see, place images of your best sellers on your homepage to encourage them to purchase. You can even place several widgets on the same page and create a unique and enticing product layout. You can have more control over the look of your online store. To add the widget to your site, go to your store and click on the product widget in the Add Store Elements menu. Then, click on the widget to place it wherever you want on your site. Once a widget has been added to your site, you can customize it to look just the way you want. Select the layout you like best, choose what happens when a user hovers over the image, and decide where you want it to link. Then, find the perfect color, background, and border so the design of the widget both matches your site and will be sure to catch your customer's eye. You can also add in a sale or discount ribbon. Best of all, just in time for the holidays, we've added in this special Christmas background. See how pretty your products look under a little bit of snowfall? See you guys next time. It's way too cold. I'm out of here.